Good morning, students. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. Me, Muhammad Jahid Hasan, Assistant Teacher, Milestone School and College, Sector 30. Today, I am going to take your science class. Before starting today's topic, dear students, I will take a preview on the previous topic. My first question from previous topic is, what is byproduct and what are the byproducts of photosynthesis? And the answer is, byproduct is a secondary product derived from a production process. And in photosynthesis process, oxygen is the byproduct. My second question from previous topic is, how plants get carbon dioxide and water in photosynthesis process? In photosynthesis process, plants absorb carbon dioxide gas from the surrounding air, and this air is absorbed by the plants through stomata of the leaves. Plants' green parts also take part for absorbing carbon dioxide gas. Terrestrial plants absorb water from ground by osmosis through their root hair, and submerged plants collect the water through their body surface. Question number 3. What is chlorophyll? And the answer is, chlorophyll is a green pigment found in the plants. And this chlorophyll is responsible for producing green color of the plants. This chlorophyll is found in chloroplast, which is one kind of plastic. Now the last question from previous topic. Why leaf is considered as the main part of photosynthesis? Leaf is considered as the main location of photosynthesis because one kind of pigment named chlorophyll is present here. This chlorophyll is very much important for photosynthesis because it can trap the sunlight and convert this sunlight into chemical energy. Without chlorophyll, photosynthesis process cannot be happened. That is why non-green plants cannot produce their own food because they have no chlorophyll. That is why they have no color. So as chlorophyll present in the plant's leaves, so leaf is considered as the main location of photosynthesis. We have done the preview from previous topic. Now we will move on to our today's topic. Our today's BCW number is 33, chapter 5, photosynthesis. From chapter 5, we will discuss one book creative question answer from page number 48. What we are going to learn from today's topic. After finishing today's class, student will able to solve the book creative question 1 and 2. They will also learn how to write a creative question answer. So dear students, let's get started of today's topic. Book creative question number 1. In the stem, P and Q, two figures are given. And you have to answer this creative question according to the stem. Remember, question number A and B may or may not related to the stem. But while you are writing the answer of question number C and D, you must write the answer according to the stem. Question number A. What is photosynthesis? Question number B. Why does photosynthesis occur mainly in leaf? Question number C. Why is the candle in the bell jar P burning? Question number D. Will the plant in bell jar Q survive in the condition shown in the figure? Give reasons supporting your answer. Now we will learn about the answer of question number A. Students, remember that question number 1 contains 1 mark. So you have to write the answer accordingly. Question number A. What is photosynthesis? And the answer is the process in which green plants manufacture carbohydrate food in presence of sunlight by utilizing carbon dioxide which is absorbed from the air and water which is absorbed from the soil with the evolution of oxygen. Now question number B. Question number B contain 2 marks. And the question is, why does photosynthesis occur mainly in leaf? Answer is, leaf is considered as the main location of photosynthesis. There are some reasons obviously for which photosynthesis occur mainly in leaf. And the reasons are as follows. As leaf is flat and extended, it can absorb large amount of light and carbon dioxide within a short time. Reason number 2. There are plenty of chlorophylls available in the leaf. Reasons number 3. Leaf contains a large number of stomata that eases gases exchange during photosynthesis. For these reasons, photosynthesis mainly occurred in the leaf. Hopefully, you have understood the answer of question number B. Now move on to question number C. Question number C contains 3 marks. And the question is, why is the candle in the bell jar P burning? Students, look at the figure. In the figure, a green plant is covered with a bell jar P. It is also seen that within the bell jar P, a candle is burning. And this burning is taking place in presence of oxygen. And we all know that oxygen helps in burning. Without oxygen, burning does not occur. Within the bell jar P, the green plant photosynthesize in presence of light and carbon dioxide. In this process, oxygen is evolved. And this oxygen helps to burn the candle. We all know that when you burn something, as a result, carbon dioxide is produced. Here, the candle burns and it gives carbon dioxide and light, which helps the green plant for its photosynthesis. Thus, burning of the candle and photosynthesis of green plant depends on each other. Hopefully, you have understood the answer of question number C. Now we will learn about the answer of question number D. Question number D contain 4 marks, and the question is, will the plant in the bell jar cube survive in the condition shown in the figure? Give reasons supporting your answer. Now we will learn about the answer. Students, look at the figure Q. In the figure, you can see that in the bell jar Q there is a green plant, and this green plant requires energy for its vital activities. Without energy, plants cannot perform its physiological activities. Now think, what are the sources of this energy? The sources of this energy is food, and this food is manufactured by the plants through photosynthesis process. In this photosynthesis process, plant requires carbon dioxide and water. Plant absorb water from the soil by its root and absorbs carbon dioxide gas by the leaf from the surrounding air. In the bell jar, the amount of air is limited, and so that the amount of carbon dioxide is also limited. This small amount of carbon dioxide will be exhausted within a few days, and as a result, the process of photosynthesis will be stopped. This will cause scarcity of food, and as a result, the plant will suffer in the scarcity of energy, which is required for the vital activities and the physiological activities. Without energy, plants cannot perform its physiological activities. As a result, the plant in the long run will die. So that we can tell the plant in bell jar cube cannot survive in the condition shown in the figure. Hopefully, you have understood the answer of question number D, and you can write the answer of this question accordingly. Now move on to book creative question number 2. In the stem, you can see a chemical formula. In this formula, carbon dioxide and substance R react with each other in the presence of sunlight and chloroplast and produce substance S, water and oxygen. You have to answer all the questions from creative question number 2 according to the stem. Question number A. What in this world is the source of all energy? Question number B. Why does photosynthesis not take place at night? Question number C. How is the compound S produced in the reaction given in the stem? Give explanation. Question number D. Analyze the importance of above reaction in the animal world. I have already discussed. Question number A contain 1 mark. Question number B 2 marks. C 3 marks. And question number D 4 marks. So you have to write the answer according to the marks distribution. Now we will learn the answer of question number A. What in this world is the source of all energy? And the answer is Sun is the ultimate source of all energy on this earth. Question number B. Why does photosynthesis not take place at night? Photosynthesis generally does not take place at night in absence of light. In the process of photosynthesis, green plants trap sunlight as the source of energy. As we know that sun is the ultimate source of all energy, and the energy that is tapped by the plant from the sunlight is converted into chemical energy by the chlorophyll molecules which is present in the chloroplast of the leaves. Then this light energy is utilized to bind carbon dioxide with the hydrogen of water, which is then converted to carbohydrate. This carbohydrate is used as the food of plants. Plants utilize sunlight in photosynthesis. At night, the sun is not present. As a result, photosynthesis does not occur at night. So that we can tell that photosynthesis does not take place at night. I hope you have understood the answer of question number B, and you can write the answer accordingly. Now move on to question number C. Here we will learn the answer of question number C. The question is, how is the compound S produced in the reaction given in the stem? Give explanation. Students, look at the chemical reaction. In this chemical reaction, S is a product. Compound S represents carbohydrate which is produced in the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a complex physiological process. In this process, green plants trap sunlight by the chlorophyll, which is present in the chloroplast of leaf cell, and convert it into chemical energy. Plants also absorb carbon dioxide gas from the air by the stomata of leaves and water from the soil by the roots. The solar energy trapped by the chlorophyll molecules is then utilized to bind carbon dioxide with hydrogen of water to form carbohydrate. This carbohydrate is used by the plants as a food. In this process, oxygen is released to air. Here, in this photosynthesis process, oxygen is a byproduct. The main product is carbohydrate. All these activities shown in the reaction of the stem takes place in two phases, light phase and dark phase. What is actually happened in light phase? At light phase, light energy from the sun is tapped and converted to chemical energy. At this stage, water also is split into oxygen and hydrogen. After finishing light phase, dark phase is started. At this stage, light energy and hydrogen is utilized to reduce carbon dioxide into carbohydrate, which is the food of plants. Carbohydrate is used as the source of energy by the plants and animals. Hopefully, you have understood how the compound is produced in the reaction given in the stem. Now we will enjoy a video for the better understanding of light reaction and dark reaction of photosynthesis.
Today, I will be sharing to you the process involved in light reaction and dark reaction in photosynthesis. So, the first thing you have to remember is that light reaction occurs at grana and dark reaction occurs at stroma. So let's get started with light reaction. So during light reaction, chlorophyll in grana captures light energy. This light energy is used to split water molecules into hydrogen ions and hydroxyl ions. When chlorophyll captures light energy, it excites the electrons of chlorophyll. In this excited state, electrons leave chlorophyll molecules. The energy from the excited electrons is used to form adenosine triphosphate, which is ATP. So the hydrogen ions produced combine with the electrons released by the chlorophyll to form hydrogen atoms. The hydrogen atoms provide reducing power for the dark reaction. At the same time, each hydroxyl ion produced loses an electron to form a hydroxyl group. The hydroxyl group then combine to form water and gaseous oxygen. Oxygen is then released into the atmosphere for cellular respiration. So let's move on to dark reaction. Dark reaction occurs at stroma. Dark reaction is also known as Kelvin cycle. Dark reaction does not require light energy. So remember the hydrogen atoms that were released during light reaction? So during dark reaction, the hydrogen atoms are used to feed carbon dioxide into a series of reactions catalyzed by photosynthetic enzymes. Overall reactions causes the carbon dioxide to be reduced into glucose and water. Glucose monomers are condensed to form starch, which are temporarily stored as starch grains in the chloroplast. That's all for today. I hope this video helps you to understand more about dark reaction and light reaction.
Now we will learn the answer of question number D. Analyze the importance of above reaction in the animal world. Now we will learn the answer. In the stem, the reaction shows the process of photosynthesis in green plants. Green plants manufacture carbohydrate food from carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. This process is of great importance to the living world. And without this process of photosynthesis, we cannot think about the life on our earth. Why it is so? Photosynthesis has a great importance to the animal world. Some of its importance is mentioned below. Every living organism requires energy for performing its vital activities, which is also known as physiological activities. The ultimate source of energy on Earth is the sun. Sunlight is trapped by the chloroplast of green plants and utilized to prepare carbohydrate food. When this food is reduced in respiration, energy is released. Plants utilize this energy. Animals also, directly or indirectly, depend for their food on plants and thus receive the energy. During photosynthesis process, oxygen is released, which is used in respiration, and carbon dioxide is evolved. This oxygen is produced as a byproduct of photosynthesis, and we cannot think about the respiration of any living being without oxygen. During respiration, the carbon dioxide evolved is utilized by plants in the process of photosynthesis. Thus, equilibrium of oxygen and carbon dioxide is maintained in the environment. Now, we will learn about the another importance of photosynthesis in the animal world. In photosynthesis, carbohydrate is produced, and this carbohydrate is used as the intermediate substance of many substances like proteins, fats, nucleic acid, etc. And these substances are considered as the building components of living body. Another importance of photosynthesis. The fuels that we use in our daily life as wood, coal, petroleum products, natural gas, etc. These fuels are directly or indirectly produced through the process of photosynthesis. And the last importance of photosynthesis to the animal world. Everything we get from the plants as food, shelter, clothing, medicine, etc. are direct or indirect products of photosynthesis. So, it may be concluded that the importance of the reaction shown in the figure is enormous. These are the answers of book creative question number 2. And I hope after completing these two creative questions, you can write the answer of any creative question by yourself. Students, now I will take some feedback from today's topic. For that purpose, I will ask you some questions and you must try to answer the question by yourself. Those who cannot answer the question, don't worry, I will give you the answer. So my first question, in which type of plants photosynthesis rate is higher? Just think by yourself about the answer of this question. The answer of this question will be, in aquatic plants, photosynthesis rate is higher than land plants. Question number B. What are the affecting factors of photosynthesis? And the answer is, in photosynthesis process, different factors play a vital role. And they are external factors and internal factors. External factors of photosynthesis are carbon dioxide, temperature, water, oxygen, etc. Internal factors of photosynthesis are age and number of leaves of the plants, amount of carbohydrates, potassium, enzyme, etc. Now question number C. What is stomata? And the answer is, stomata are tiny openings or pores in plant tissue that allow for gas exchange. Stomata are typically found in plant leaves, but they can also be found in some stems. Students, now last question as the feedback of today's topic. And the question is, what are the phases of photosynthesis process? And the answer will be, there are two phases of photosynthesis are there. One is light phase and the second one is dark phase. Now students, open your diary and write the homework. Our today's HW number is 24. This is a learn plus write HW. and you have to write C and D from the book creative question number 2 as your homework. So students, first of all, you have to memorize the answer of the given question. After that, you have to write the answer of this question in your homework copy. That's all from today's topic. Hopefully, you have enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.